Here we go. We are looking at this absolutely filthy stovetop. I let it get so bad. It is so stinking filthy. I cannot take it one more day. But I had to let it get this extremely filthy so that you could see what I am about to show you is real. Now what I'm going to do is lay down this pile of wet towels, and I'm going to let it soak, minus the burner parts, and I'm going to pull out the foil, but I'm going to let those towels lay out here. Alright, it is now fully covered, and we shall be back in about a half an hour. Some of these have got some bad chips. This poor old stove has been around since 1976. But we can get most of this surface stuff off of here to make this look so much better. When you hear me huffing and puffing, that is because of my health issues I have, which is why it's taken several different recordings to get this done, so that I can sit in between and be able to survive doing the least little thing. And it doesn't have any extra soap in it, anything special. And if you're worrying about a brand new stove, use the soft side first. Test it out. Because I know that we did use it on a brand new stove for a friend of ours. And I did use the hard side, and unfortunately the porcelain didn't come off, but the paint that was on it, like here, these are baked in. They were hard Admiral stuff that they did all those years ago, and that's not even going to even come off. But nowadays, it is not baked into the surface. And so, unfortunately, I did not realize that, and I ended up scratching off some of their printing on the top of their stove, around the clock and the burners. But as you can see, this is coming pretty clean compared to when we first started. Nice and clean, and everything you see left is just scrapes from the rag or old beams that couldn't be painted over, and we used the sanding sponge. Yep, and a few wet rags and some dirty water. And now we're going to use some Dollar Tree aluminum foil to wrap all this up. And I'll be back in a second after it's done, because I can't film and wrap and talk and stand all at the same time. So I'll be back as fast as I can. Here it is, all done. Beautifully done. Took me longer to film it than it did to actually clean it.